Hey guys, Ryan here with Accelerate Marketing, and today I'm going to talk to you about what to do with those disputes for your Google local service ads so you can get more money back. Now, you guys probably all know that it's not a dispute process, it's a survey process. So are you continuing to dispute your calls? If not, you might be missing out on revenue, or you might be missing out on a rebate rather, or a dispute that you could get approved. So what I'm suggesting is to continue to go through that survey process. If you don't want to do this process, we do this for our clients. This is part of the service that we offer for our clients, is that we actually dispute those calls for our clients on behalf, or we fill out the survey for our clients in order for them to be able to most likely get a credit back. Now, we don't guarantee that we can get any percentage back or anything like that, but what we do is we guarantee that we will fill out that survey process to help Google understand the types and quality of leads that you're looking to get. And by filling out that survey process, you can get the best leads possible and potentially get a rebate or get a credit back towards your bill on your Google local service ads that would go towards the next month's payment that you would pay for leads. So this is one of the things that make the Google local service ads platform very unique, is that you can actually submit for a rebate, okay? So you can submit to get a rebate back or a credit back for the leads that you're getting. We know how to do this. We do it hundreds of times every day for our clients on their behalf, in addition to listening to all the phone calls and implementing, as I've said many times, agents to make sure that all the calls are answered, and more importantly, that all the message leads are responded to, so that you get a continual stream of good quality leads, because you're giving Google what it wants, which is a great experience on their platform.
Let's get your appointment scheduled then. Can I please start by getting your full name?
My name is Stefano.
Great, thanks, Stefano. I'll go ahead and schedule an appointment for you, and I'll send the confirmation over to that email address.
So again, you might be leaving money on the table if you're not filling out that survey. Please go ahead and do that. And if you want some help with that so that you can do what you do best, then leave that to our team of experts to get you the best leads possible and to potentially get you a credit for those leads that you might be able to get a credit for, okay, through the survey process. Okay, let us know if you have any questions. You can text us. And we do have a new school community that's opening up. If you look us up, you can type in local lead labs, and you will see the community there. It's Local Lead Labs, where we help business owners generate an extra $10,000 a month or more through the Google Local Service Ads optimization, and basically a free course through Google Local Service Ads optimization, Google Business Profile optimization, and AI setup and implementation. And we do have a workshop every Wednesday that's at 2 o'clock. If you want to join us, we'll help you set up a AI agent within seconds or minutes that you can use as your stepping in point to the AI revolution that's happening. So you can future-proof your business and make sure that you're answering all those calls and as a result, you're getting more leads from Google, and you're potentially going to give your intake team the opportunity to answer all the phone calls because you've got backup for them, which is the agent. And then from there, there's all different types of things that agent can do, okay? So thanks. Let us know if you have any questions. And yeah, please send us a text if you have any questions. 619-304-5155. 619-304-5155. Thanks. Bye-bye.